Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable camera on Firefox browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course any other browser and put in Firefox and download it, as it does not come with with Windows. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the search bar. We have it also in the top side of the screen. You can go and add some new tabs, click on add shortcuts, and in the top right corner we have the three horizontal lines where you can go and click on settings and all of those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable camera on Firefox browser. So firstly, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings here, and then click settings. In the left sidebar, click on privacy and security, which is the fourth tab here. And then go and scroll down to the permission section. So scroll down where you can find permission, as you can see. Click the settings button next to camera. So you need to find camera and click settings. In the camera permission window, you'll see a list of websites with saved permissions. Ensure that the website you want to use the camera on is set to allow. If not, click allow button next to the website. Click save changes to apply the new settings. If you are having troubles, maybe you need to check your device settings and ensure that the camera is enabled for Firefox. So go to the device settings menu, app, applications, Firefox, permissions, and check out that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That'll be everything. Bye guys.